left over in the bowl, so I'm going to put it in a cake pan. And this is a quarter sheet. I love parchment paper, but I love these silicone mats too. It cuts down waste going into the landfill. Okay, now we're going to make a topping for the pan banana bread, for like the banana cake, if you will. You just change the pan size and you change what it is. So it's banana cake now. All right, so here we have 1 stick of melted butter. We're going to do a 1/2 cup of sugar. Teaspoon of molasses. If you have brown sugar, go ahead and use that. I make my own brown sugar. And this is why. This brown sugar was purchased last year, but it says it's good until November 2026. I don't want that in my food. I don't know. They changed something in the recipe. It no longer stays safe. I had another bag of it that I tried the little clay bear to put in there, a piece of bread. It worked for a little while, but yeah, it's rock hard, and it says it's still good for another 11 months. I'm not using it. All right. So I'm going to give that a little mix with the butter and the sugar and the molasses. I'm going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't have to add it, but I like to. I feel like it enhances the sweetness. Sweetness and the salt go together good. And then 1 cup of flour. And just depending on your humidity outside, depends on how your flour is going to react. So we'll just keep an eye on this. If it's not enough flour, we'll add a little bit more. And that is too soft. If you put that on your any cake muffin, it's going to melt. It's not going to hold its shape. So I'm going to add about another 1/4 cup of flour. And you just kind of cut that flour in. And if you watch my videos, you know I'm a little messy. Oopsies. Oh, I forgot one thing. Homemade vanilla. 1/2 teaspoon. Measure with your heart. If you go more, it'll still be delicious. All right. It's kind of like cookie dough. And you want to pinch it, and it's holding together good. All right, and then we're going to take this dough and just kind of pinch it, and you're going to drop it all over your crust. You could sprinkle it too if you wanted, but it gives it kind of a cookie crunch when you can ball it up a little bit. It's my favorite. I love it. You could do it in little balls too if you wanted to. Did I miss any places? All right. And we're going to go one more level up. Vanilla sugar. And people will ask you, how did you make that? What is your recipe? All right, that's it. That's what it looks like. Doesn't it look so good? And it's not even cooked yet. And a little trick if you ever burn yourself, apple cider vinegar. And apply to wherever you burned yourself. And the banana cake, doesn't that look so good? And if you wanted to take this up another notch, you could put a drizzle on it, a frosting. But I think it's going to be delicious just like this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time with me. God bless. Until next time. Check out my cream cheese frosting if you want frosting on this banana cake or muffins.